Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today I have an unboxing video. Right now I am wearing my Gravity Master, and there's a reason why I am wearing it. Let's just take this box apart or open it. My buddy Peter sent me an interesting watch that I am dying to take a look at, and you'll see why in a second. Let's see here, he's got it wrapped pretty well. And let's take that apart here. And so we got a whole lot of wrapping here. And let's just open this up. I'll rewrap this for Peter at a later date. Oh man, okay. Let's take a look. Now this is something he reached out to me after I did the unboxing of my Gravity Master and said, you gotta check this out. And I said, well, right on, man, just send it in. This is Aegis. This is a vintage watch here, and it is a, let's see if we could read here. Of course, my eyesight is not as good as it used to be, but he said it'd be a good comparison with the modern Gravity Master. And let's see if I can zoom into the dial here. And it is an altimeter, just like my Gravity Master. So there is definitely some, correlation here. And wow, this is really cool. Now this watch is like around 30 years old or over 30 years old. So I am really fired up to take a look at this and just compare and see if I can, replicate some of the same numbers here. The altimeter will be a cool comparison between this watch and the Gravity Master that I have here. Thanks, Peter, for sending this in. I look forward to incorporating this watch into my review of the Gravity Master, and I'll see you guys soon with another video.